Hello, Ethan. Good afternoon.
Opo. Opo.
So I'll just record our class today. Is that okay with you, Ethan?
Opo.
I'll just record. So today you will have your mathematics subject. Okay, it's about you will have a short quiz about reading Roman numerals, okay? And then writing it also. So let's start. Okay, can you see my screen now, Ethan?
Opo.
Okay, so we'll just continue and then later you will have a quiz.
Opo.
Okay. Okay, basic Roman numerals. So you
Opo.
already learned that letter V is how will you read V?
5.
5. X
10.
50.
50.
What number?
100.
How
50. 100.
how about
L.
letter L?
50.
C,
C. 100.
letter D?
D. 500.
Okay. So I'll just stop sharing and then you will say it one more time. I'll just tell the letter and then tell me the value of it, okay? So what is the value of letter V? How will you read letter V?
5.
How about X?
10.
How about D? Letter D.
50.
D. Letter D. 500.
80.
Uh,
500.
yeah. L is 50. Okay. Letter L. The value of L is 50. Letter C. Two new letters again. Okay. Letter C, that is, the value of letter C is 100. Okay. 100. How about letter D? Letter D is
500.
500. L? Let's have a drill first. L. What is the value of L? L. Letter L. That is number
50.
very good, 50. How about letter C? How about letter C?
100.
How about D? Letter D.
500.
Okay, very good. You already memorized it. Now let's continue the lesson. Oops, let me share again my screen. Okay. So what will you do if the Roman numeral start with a small letter or a small number? What will you do? And followed by a big letter or big number. What will you do? You will add or you will subtract, Ethan? Is it you will add or you will subtract? Mm. What will you do? Just like this one, I'll just write an example. Like this, I and then X. What is the value of IX? I and X. How will you read
9.
that? That is?
9.
Okay, very good. 9. How about uh what did you do to get the answer 9? What did you do, Ethan?
1x.
1x.
Okay.
Oh, what did you do?
5x.
You just
So, truck.
Okay, very good. You subtract because as you can see, it is start with a small letter or number followed by big number, so you need to subtract it so that you will
Up.
get the correct answer. How about if
9.
I will write like this, X and then I. How do you read
11.
that one? Okay, 11. Why did you get 11? How did you get 11?
Eh,
Hmm?
yung
How?
X ay add.
Add. Because, as you
Mm.
can see also that, bakit mo siya inad? Why did you add that X and 1? Because, can you please tell it to teacher?
Symbols are added at their values.
Okay, because X is a bigger number, X and I, it starts with a bigger letter or number followed by small number. So the rule there is you need to add it so that to get the answer. Okay? So
Opo.
great job, Ethan. So you already know the rules. Now let's proceed to um okay. So did you memorize already this one? V as 5. Oh, one more time. Can you please read the following letters and you read it?
B5, X10, L50, C100, T500.
Okay. So are you ready for your short quiz, Ethan? Don't forget the new letter, okay? C, that is 100. D, the value of D is 500, okay? So, let's
Opo.
start. Okay, you read the question and then the choices before you answer. Okay, so you may start now, Ethan. Number 1
The Roman numeral for 5 is V. Mm-mm.
is
V.
V. Very good. Next.
Which Roman numeral, okay, ika. Which Roman numeral means 50?
Okay.
L.
Okay, very good. It's letter L. But how about number 3?
What is the value of C? 100. P. 100.
Okay, very good. Number 4.
The Roman numeral for 500 is D. C. D.
Okay, very good. Also, next, let's have number 5.
What number does X represent? Represent. Okay.
Represent. You read that
Represent.
as represent. Okay.
Represent.
Yes. So what is your answer? X represent or the
B.
value of X? Okay, very
Represent.
good. It's
Okay.
letter B that X means 10. Okay. So next,
Opo.
you did well on number 1 and 5. You did answer it correctly. Now let's have letter
Opo.
V or B. Write the following in Roman numerals. So you will write or you will just say the numbers in Roman numerals. Okay?
Opo.
So number 6, 5. How will you write 5 in Roman numeral?
B.
Okay. You just write your answer, Ethan. Use the annotation there.
Okay lang.
Okay. Or okay, very good. Next. How about number 7?
N.
10. How will you
X.
write 10? How about 50?
D. Ah, wait lang. L. Okay.
L.
Di nga.
Oh, that is the correct answer. It's letter L. How
Okay.
about number 9?
C.
Mm-hmm. And then?
D.
Okay, very good. Great job.
Okay.
Okay, next. This one. Next. This time, you will write the value of the Roman numerals. Okay? The
Numeral.
let's
Okay.
start. 11.
Ah, 5.
Okay, 5. X.
10. Ay, yan.
Okay. You don't need to write your answer, Ethan. You just tell your answer orally. Okay? How about number 13?
Teka. Okay ba? Ano yan?
Okay. How about number 13?
L. Wait lang. 50. 50.
Letter C, number 14.
100.
And letter D?
500.
Okay, very good. So, next. This time it's difficult activity. Okay, now, you read X and V, or tell me what number is that. How will you read X and V? What is the
15.
value
Oh,
of X and V? This one.
XB.
Yes.
15. Okay.
50.
15.
Again. 15. That's right, 15. Okay, let's have number 2.
Oh,
How about XL?
XL. 40.
LX?
LX. Wait lang. Iging 60.
CV?
CV. 105.
DC?
600.
Okay, very good, Ethan. You really answered the quiz very well. Okay, this time let's have again
Oh,
another drill. Okay, I'll just write the Roman numerals and tell me what number is the or what is the value. Okay, so let's start.
okay.
How about if I do like this? D and then L. What is the value of D and L?
DL.
Yeah.
550.
550. How about if I add like this? What is the value of DLIX?
Wait lang. 500. Wait lang. Iging
Oh, this one you just tell me that the value of DL is 500. What is the value of DL again, Ethan?
50.
Mm-hmm. DL. What is the value again of DL? How will you read DL?
Oh, wait lang. 59.
D. What is the value of letter D first? How will you read D?
500.
500, and then what letter is this?
50.
Oh, so what is the value again of DL if you combine it together? 500.
550.
Okay, very very good. 550. Next, let's proceed to the next two letters.
Okay.
IX. Okay. What is the value of IX?
9.
9. Now, what operation you will use to get the answer? Is it addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Are you sure is it
Di.
subtraction? Look at the numbers. This one, 550 followed by 9. So what operation will you use? You will use it starts with a big number followed by a small number. So what operation you will use? Is it addition
500.
or subtraction?
Wait lang. Addition.
addition. So, uh, 550 plus
Teka lang po, may
9.
tao po. May ibang teacher. Wait lang. Wait lang
Ah,
po, teacher ah.
okay. Oh, I'll just wait.
Okay po.
So what is your answer?
Wait lang.
550 plus 9 equals?
559.
Okay, so the answer is 559. Okay, so
Okay.
very good, Ethan. So no more question in your, that's the end of our lesson. No more question of how to read Roman numerals.
Okay.
So let's proceed to another new lesson. It's about place value. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll stop sharing it because I will open your new lesson. Wait for a while. Okay. Oh, can you see my screen now, Ethan? Oh, so
Opo.
your new topic or in math is about place value. So what is place value? Can you please read what is place value, Ethan?
What place value means the value the digit depends. Teka lang. Depends. Uh, mm,
Depends on.
it is position in a number. Okay.
Okay. The same
The
digit.
same digit can have different values when it is in different place.
Okay, so it means place values place value means the value of a digit depends on its position. Okay, please remember it depends on its
Opo.
position in a number. So the same
The
digit
number.
can have different values when it is different places. So just like an example here in what you read this for example. First example.
In 24, the digit 2 means 20.
Okay. So the
Okay.
place value of 2 is 20. Okay? So
Mm-mm.
the place value of a number, it depends on its position. Oh,
Okay.
just like in 24, to 2 is you can see that on a in a
Uh,
first it starts with the first row, the digit 2 means 20. So in
oh,
204, while 204, the digit 2 means 200. Okay?
okay.
So same digit, different place equals different value. Okay? So
Okay.
as you notice, in the first example, you can find the 2 at first, while the while in the second example you find 2 on the third number. Okay? So you need to memorize this one, place value chart.
Mm-mm.
Okay? So
Okay.
you read if you read Ethan.
Place name value. Okay.
Once.
Once, once, one.
Okay, that's the value of ones. Okay, place value once, and then this is the value one symbol
Okay.
number one. Okay, next.
Tens, tens, ten. Okay. Hundreds, hundreds, 100. Thousands, thousands, 1,000.
Okay,
We
next.
always read numbers from right to left.
Okay, so please remember that in reading numbers, we always read numbers from right to left. Okay.
Apo.
So also, please remember that in ones, it has a single digit only. Okay? While tens, it
Apo.
has 1 0, hundreds 2 0, thousands 3 0. That's and we always read numbers from right to left. Right? Just
Apo.
like this one. The ones place is the light. Okay. So can you please read the ones place?
The ones place is the last digit on the right. Shows the number of single items.
Okay. So just like this one.
Example,
Example.
number
Ha-
3,482. Okay.
Okay. So 3,482. The last digit is serve as the ones place. Okay? The value
Okay.
of the last digit is in the ones place. Okay? Value 2, just like
Ones.
3,482, the last number is what?
20.
The
Oh.
last number is 2. So that is ones place. Okay, how about tens place?
Uh,
You read the tens place.
tens place.
Yes.
The tens place is the second digit from the right. It shows the number of groups of 10. Example, number 3,482. Tens digit 8. Value 8 tens equals 80. Okay.
Okay. So in tens place, the second digit from the right, that's the tens place. Just like
Apo.
3,482, what number is in a tens place? What number?
Tens place.
Yeah. What number? It's number.
Uh, 8.
Okay,
Okay.
number 8. So 8 is
Okay.
in a tens place. And the
Okay.
value of 8 equals 80. Okay?
Okay.
Just like 8 tenths. Oh, you need to multiply 8 to tens, so you will get 80. So that's the value
Okay.
of 8 tenths. Okay, next.
Okay.
How about on hundreds place? You read, Ethan?
Hundreds place. The hundreds place is the third digit from the right. It shows the number of groups of 100.
Okay. Example.
Number 3,482.
Okay. So what
100 digit. Okay.
uh, please continue, Ethan.
Look, no, wait lang. Hundreds digit 4. Value for hundreds equals 400.
Okay. So as you can see, 3,482, the 100 place is in the third number. Okay. So
Third
that
number.
is 4.
Okay.
So 400s. If you will read the 400s, so 400s equals, here is the value, 4
400.
and 0, 0. Okay, how about thousands? Thousands place.
Thousands place. The thousands place is the fourth digit from the right. It shows the number of groups of 100, 1,000. Okay.
Okay, example.
Number 3,482. Thousands digit was 3. Volume equals 3,000 equals 3,000.
Okay, that's the thousands place. Now, what is expanded form? So what does expanded form mean? So when we say expanded form, it shows how much each digit is worth and then adds them together. For example,
Okay po.
456. So if we will use the expanded form, we can say that 400s. Oh, so that's the value, 400. 5 tens, that is 50. 6 ones, that is single 6 or single number 6. So if you will
Oh,
do the expanded form like this, so 400 plus 50 plus 6, you will get the total number of 456.
opo.
Okay? So next, let's have example number 2.
Teacher,
Ah,
pwede ako mapunta ako sa CR saglit. Wait lang
hmm?
po
It's okay.
Wait lang po.
Just already time also, Ethan. We will just
Ay, oo.
continue this on Monday. So thank you so much, Ethan.
Okay.
Bye.
Teacher, bye. Thank
Okay.
you po.
Bye.
Salamat po. Happy weekend po. Thank you
Happy
po.
weekend.